see how much damage we can do to the boat by installing the solar panels. No, in all seriousness, we won't do any damage. We have looked at everything. Well, I research the crap out of everything we do. While Al rushes ahead, I then stop him, research it again, double check, triple check, and then we do it. That's how we work. Works great. Annoys the crap out of him, but it works great. In this episode, we head off from the gorgeous Ionian town of Vathy. We sail north, trying our best to catch the wind before anchoring in Nydri, where we get to work completing our solar panel upgrade. So most of the boats at anchor here with us are private boats, and it looks like most of the boats along the town quay are charter boats. I wonder if that's the way it is in the whole area around here. And just like that, we are off again, leaving Vathy after 2 nights. It was quite a good spot. We hid from the wind in here. We had 20-25 knots, but it was far worse out there, and our anchor held well. We're heading north today, about 20-22 miles or so, heading up to the island of Lefkada, where importantly we are talking to an electrician to get a final consult on what we need to do to install our lithium batteries. So there we go. The forecast is for a southerly. There's only about 3 knots at the moment, so hopefully it'll come up enough for us to sail. If not, we might have to motor for a few hours.
Yeah, fish o'clock. Never going to have to buy protein again at this rate.
We've only just got underway, so could be very good news. Very good start to the morning.
I know, little tunny.
Oh, so no buckets?
Pliers?
Unfortunately, it looks like they're tunnies. They're big tunnies, but they're still tunnies. What's that?
Pliers, maybe?
Okay. So we just got to get them off and get them back to their home.
Got a little bit of wind. I've put the head sail. It's giving us another, I'd say at least a half a knot. Might be able to sail properly soon.
Something really, really big just hit the lure. Huge sounds, but it sounds like it's too big and it's just broken everything off. We'll see.
Hopefully it just came off. It was breaking. Oh no.
Oh, you think?
Yeah, we lost all the stuff with it.
Oh no.
Oh, proper fish, and we lost it. I think maybe a knot came undone.
We are donating a lot of lures to this ocean. We have caught some fish on this lure. This is my favourite little blue lure, but now it's gone. We have no more favourite blue lure.
We need a new favourite lure.
Oh yeah, I don't have a second favourite, so into the fishing box.
Yeah, real fish, that one.
Is very, very pretty around here. Hopefully we'll get there in a couple of hours, find a nice anchorage, and then arrange for our electrician to come in on Monday. That's the plan. Without sailing, we've got some time here on this motor. So it's checking out the coastline, which is beautiful, and also doing a bit of sorting out of our other sails and lockers. The wind has totally died, but we're only about 20 minutes away from our destination. This place is absolutely beautiful.
Fish moving up and over there, it's going to get tetanus. We have anchored opposite Nydri on the island of Lefkada, and it's like, I'd suggest nowhere we've been in Greece so far. Nydri, that is. We're just wandering around the waterfront, all in English, all very English orientated menus.
Another stop at Chandler's, because that's what you do when you come into town. Today we got the last wing nuts for our solar installation, so fingers crossed that is the last piece we need.
Well, one of those chandlers is impossible to find anything in, but once you
Have
do...
you ever seen that show Hoarders? I feel like every chandlery we go into is like a Hoarders. You can't move, there's so much stuff. But it's awesome because you almost always find what you need. It's day 175 of us trying to mount solar panels. We just went to the Chandler's ashore here in Nydri, and they had the last couple of parts. So final few holes to drill. Then it is the big test. 1, can we wire it up properly? And 2, can we finish the install properly? I think we're okay. What do you think?
Things are going really well. The 2 chandlers in Nydri are very impressive, as you'd expect, with 7,000 yachts in close proximity. We're working really well. We've got the 2 panels up. We're feeling a lot more confident about how it's going to be installed.
The only downside is how long it's taken us to do this, largely because anytime you need a part, you have to then find a town that has a part, which is not that easy when you're on a sailboat. We're getting there. It's taking us a bit of time. We're getting there. We're just trying to find the perfect length bolts.
No, that was to go on top
okay.
of the... Is that coming through? Can you see?
Yep. Keep going. Keep going, you're almost there. Almost there. Yep, through, well done.
Promise I can't see the other one.
We've double checked, triple checked everything. We've got lots of advice, so we should be good. And we have an electrician coming in a couple of days who will double check it for us. Still scary though. It's time to wire these bad boys up. We have also pulled the fuse, so there's no power going through, and we've covered them both in cardboard. You can't have solar panels generating power without somewhere for the power to go. Our sentences at the moment are starting with, if it all goes to shit. No, it's all good. This has been days and days, and as I said, I researched the crap out of everything, so I know we're doing it right, and I know we're doing it safely, and I know we're keeping the boat safe. We've got all the fuses in place, we've got all the right wiring, we've got everything sorted. It's a bit scary though, because once you lock these down, it's really hard to undo it. Put the hardest bolt in first, into the panels, into the frame, and we just cannot get it right, get it lined up. The wing nut just will not go on. And so we're just going to widen that hole slightly to see if that helps us out. It could be a long evening if they all take this long. This one hole has taken us about 2 hours so far, and we haven't got it yet. So, okay, slight update. We've just spent 2 hours trying to get a wing nut on a bolt, only to find out that the wing nut was the wrong size for that bolt. So it was never going to fit. I was just getting the right size now. Hopefully that means it'll be done in about 2 minutes. It's now quite late. We have 2 of the 8 bolts in. What do they say? Boat life is doing annoying, painful jobs in really lovely places. As the evening continues, we're up to 4 of 8. 4 of 8. We've got 1 more electrical connection to do. Then we'll put the second panel up, get the 4 bolts in.
What the fuck?
This is not easy.
Oh, we spent ages trying to get a gammy wing nut on.
Don't worry, we'll get there.
That one's not
I'm determined pretty much not to go to bed until we get this finished.
Low quality.
Believe it or not, 6, 7, 8, I don't know how many hours later, we have all the bolts in and it's all wired up. So the cardboard's still on top, so in the morning we're going to come up, just double check all the bolts, tighten everything up, and then uncover it, and hopefully it should work. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. The sun's sort of up. We've got the phone ready, we've put the fuse back in. This is the Bluetooth monitoring of all the panels, so let's see.
Here it goes.
No current yet.
Done.
No current at all. Uh-oh.
Right.
There's no current at all.
Right.
Can you put the fuse back?
Yeah.
There's no current. There probably should be by now. Somewhere. Not the result we wanted, but we just have to figure it out now. I'm pleased to report we are happy again. We're both quite stressed after all that work yesterday and in the previous couple of weeks getting parts and sorting it out and researching it. When the solar didn't work this morning, the new solar, we were very sad. We've come up now, taken parts apart, and one of the connectors wasn't quite right, and so we've fixed that and we're now seeing current. It's pretty cloudy, so not much current, but are we happy again?
That panel is producing more than our other two. Oh, feeling better. Yeah, disappointed that we didn't do that right the first time, but we've never done MC4s before, so... And one of the ones that the professional electrician shop sold us was dodgy. It had already been used.
Interestingly, even these really overcast conditions, these two panels are getting more than our other two sets of panels combined, which is good.
Well, our efforts have been rewarded. It's not full sun, it's about 11:30 and we're getting 34 amps from the new panels, 12 and 17 from our beloved other two. So yeah, wow.
Our triumphant install of the solar, and we're treating ourselves to lunch.
We've got lots of tidying up to do, but we've got
it's
power
working.
Going into the batteries from the new panels, and they're in the right position, so we've just got to tighten everything up, secure the awning back down again with the bungee, seal off the holes in the gel coat,
And label all the cables, and then we're done.
Check these out. Look at those sandwiches.
Talk to me.
We are celebrating success with the solar panels. We deserve it. We're up till like 9:30 last night just trying. So we have come to Tiki Burger, this place Tiki Street Food Bites, this place we really admired on our walk yesterday. I don't think we're going to be disappointed. It looks amazing.
I'm very much a review person, so if I see a restaurant or something looks popular, I review it. Well, I don't review it, but I look at the reviews. And this one got a 4.9, and now I can see why. It's crazy.
One bite. This is awesome.
Al convinced me he's also earned dessert.
I had a hankering for a crepe. My turn for dinner, doesn't happen too often. We're having cordon bleus and a Greek salad, one of our favourites. It is such a nice evening here in our little anchorage opposite Nydri.
Yeah, the Mozzies are pretty bad, but the view's nice. Oh no, did you tie a bad knot and lost my favourite lure?
Looks like it.
Oh,
Yes.
what happened?
Oh, proper fish, and we lost it. I think maybe a knot came undone.